Yo, I'm about to rap again. Yo, about to fucking rap a flow. I'ma really let you know, like pop tic-tac-toe. If I'm about to let you go, I better let you know I'm about to let you go, huh? Tic-tac-toe and let you know. Pop you like 3 in a row. Popping pills, that's how I roll. Smoking blunts, I'm on the flow. I'ma flow, I'm getting better as I go. But every time I go, I'm playing fucking Saints Row. Holy shit, I'll let you know. Playing Call of Duty, though. I'm not fucking with you, yo. I'll fucking kill you, yo. And if I murk your ass, I'll get your ass and hit your ass. Man, we ain't playing games, bitch. I'm about to hit your ass.
I'm about to hit your ass, man. I'll fucking get your ass. I don't give a fuck, man. That blood, it better get past. Motherfuckers know it's starting to end and finishing last. But then I come in first, blessed with a curse. Don't you know, motherfucker, you don't know the verse. You don't know the worst. You don't know the purse. You don't know the prize. You don't know the eyes. You don't know the motherfucker shit don't realize. They say real lies, fucking real lies. Yo, I'm back, motherfucker, get her in her thighs. Yeah, I came through, fucking ripping out your eyes. You can't see through motherfucking disguise.
Be disguised, and be that guy. Be so wise, I'm super fly, super high, and I'm so right. Yeah, I'm fucking spitting, about to go in for the listen. Every time I'm coming through, I'm about to down in the kitchen. Holy shit, I'll be that guy. Make you wonder why. Oh my god, I'm shy, but whoa, I'm dry. Yo, I'm smoking on that route, smoking on it exotic. Every time I come around, I'm fucking doing something crazy, like baby, won't you come and pay me? Why you acting lazy? I'ma name you like Daisy. I'm gonna smoke you up like crazy. I'm gonna do my thing like Chase Me. I'm gonna do my thing like Chase Me. The only thing I'm doing is saving. The only thing I'm doing is saving. You can't hear me, bitch. You so super sick. Won't you use it? And yeah, I'm fucking spitting so sick for you to hear me. Long hair, don't care. White key like back in the 30s, and you know I'm fucking dirty. Oh my god, I'm flirty. You know I'm fucking nerdy. Won't you fuck me, bitch, you flirty. Holy shit, I'm super sick. I'm bragging so hot. And yet you is like not. Other people on the block, I don't give a fuck what you said. Maybe I said it worse. About to bless the curse. About to take your shirt. About to take your purse. About to take your curse. And I'm about to make your moves. And I'm about to make you lose. I'm fucking freestyle like such and random words, such a pressing. Oh my god, you know I'm testing. When I'm in it, I'm in rejection. Rejection, stupid bitches, stupid hoes. But you know, I be loving them for show. The way I like to roll, yeah. Way he likes to roll on a story that you don't even and never really told. You just spitting on your bars. I'ma leave you super hard. I'ma fucking hit you hard like the beach mode is hard. Oh my god, I'm in it. Yes, I'm in it. Papa getting finished. About to do it, win it. I'ma spin and win. And then first, making last, right and third, starting last, and then in first. Holy shit, you know that Merc is spitting some flows. Just to let you know, almost overdose. About to let it go. Yo, I'm about to spit some bars, and I'm leaving it so hard. I don't even fuck around. I'll be burning just like Mars. I'll be cold like Pluto. I'll be hot like the sun, but you ain't fucking shit. Bitch, you's a hoe with having fun. Stupid, nappy headed, ugly looking hoe. I'm about to really let you go. But first I'll let you know.